Oftentimes, my clients believe that they have been subject to an illegal search or an illegal seizure, and they want to know what to do. And the answer is to file something called a motion to suppress, specifically with searches. And what you're doing is you're going to the court and you're saying, my Fourth Amendment rights guaranteed to me under the United States Constitution were violated by the way the police obtained this evidence that is going to be used against me. Of course, this is not something that an individual who's not trained in criminal law should do on their own. Instead, they should hire a seasoned criminal defense lawyer who knows the law surrounding searches and the Fourth Amendment, and that lawyer can file the motion, call the appropriate witnesses in court, and make the appropriate argument, and hopefully that search and the evidence obtained in that search will be suppressed, meaning it can't be used against you. And oftentimes, once you get that critical piece of evidence suppressed, the charges are dismissed. If you or anyone you know believes that you've been subject to an illegal search or seizure, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.